We'll guide you through how to make a PDF file on an Android. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to go and do. We're going to be doing this with photos, so either make sure you've got maybe a screenshot or something, or a photo already, or you can go and take one now. It's going to be up to you. Then all you need to do is go and find it in your gallery like so. So in this case, I'll go and do it with this photo here. Once you've got the photo selected, go to the top right and click on the three dots and go and click on print. You then go and get this pop-up. At the top, where you can go and select the printer, click there and make sure you select Save as PDF like so. Then what you can do is go and click on this yellow PDF button. We'll go and get this pop-up and you can choose where you want to go and save it. In this case, I'll just go and put it in my documents like so and hit save. And like that, you've now gone and made the PDF. What we can do is go and find it. I'll open up my Files app. Here we are, so I saved it in my documents, but go to where you saved yours, and I can then see it here, it's a PDF, I can open it up, and I'll just go and open it up in Drive, and this is how it looks, and what I can then do is share it or do what I want with it. It's that simple. If you guys found this useful, then please leave a like.